Hey YouTube, it's Mark W. Flockhart. Quickest video I'm gonna make. I promise. Maybe not, but it'll be quick. I just realized that we just did the video on Tuesday. We found. I'll show you here. We found the cell phone fan that we're gonna look into pricing. Here's all like the stats and stuff. Not necessarily a high demand, but it's got a good ease of entry. We're on a lower budget with this find, so we're gonna try to find a way to get in that market. We really want to, when you're at the lower budget, when you have like $1,500, $2,000, $2,500, somewhere around there, right? You need to find products that are only selling like 100, less than 200 per month. Because in order to compete and market and do all that stuff and get, by the end of the day, you're gonna have enough money to reorder and have the product. So you're gonna look for something a little bit cheaper to start with. And it's an experience. Like, you just learn that part of it and you just grow from there. Once you've done that, then maybe you have a little bit more capital where you can start doing $5,000 worth of inventory and stuff like that with other products, and then other ones in 10,000, and eventually you're in that that top ship that you want to be in. But ultimately, a time frame, I know you're not going to like this, but it's probably going to take you about 5 years if you're starting off small. You could do it quicker. You could luck out and be huge success and whatever, right? But there's a time frame. It's a learning curve. Anyways, so here's what we've done so far. The 3 products we found, we didn't really research the glasses a whole lot, but kids' computer glasses, there really wasn't enough of the search, monthly search here. There's about 26,200, which is pretty low for a product to search. So as this loads here, you're going to see that's going to say low competitive or low demand, because there's just not enough people looking for this product. Whereas we've got this one, we've found the stress ball for kids, and that's good for like kids that need sensory things. That's been a huge growth recently. I think that people are starting to be more aware that kids aren't necessarily like ADD or ADHD. They're more like they have sensory issues, and so that's become like a huge thing. I want to see the graph fall out a little bit further because it's dropped quite a bit, but it's spiking up and down. So that might be something we go into, but also we got the cell phone fan. The reason this is going to be a shorter video is I'm not going to go into the next step, which is kind of doing a little bit more research. I think I'm going to do that off video because it's boring. I'm just going to tell you what I'm going to do. So if we go in here to the cell phone fan, this is what we're looking at. We're going to find some that we're competitive, that we're looking to compete with. So we'll say this one here. Let's click on this one. It's going to bring me to like the listing and all that stuff. But what I want to do is I want to take their ASIN, that's the product number, whatever. And I don't know where it is on here, but basically I'm gonna grab that ASIN. I'm gonna start looking up online. I'm gonna go right into Amazon.com, plug the ASIN in, start looking at that specific product. Because one of the reasons this one got me excited is it's selling enough, it's cheap enough, and there's a lot of bad reviews. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm read those reviews and find if there's a way that I can fix the problems that people are having. Let's do it real quick, just because I know you guys are probably interested in this. So let's go to Amazon. Okay, we're going to say cell phone. Oh no, we want the iPhone. iPhone fan. Okay. So we're just going to go in here, and I'll show you the bad reviews here. We're going to load Jungle Scout, although most of the stuff is done through Amazon right now. So see these reviews, 4, 3, 4.5, 2.5. So we want to try to compete with this guy that's selling 600 plus. So we've got, average 3 review. Let's click on that. Let's go to this one and see what people are actually saying about it. So why are they being given 1-star? 40%. Do not buy. My phone hasn't charged sufficiently since I used this fan once. Ooh, that's not good. The fan literally murdered my iPhone 6. Don't buy. If you do, Google search iPhone accessory fan kills phone. Won't work or will be breaking soon. So this is a huge issue. We really don't want to get into something that's going to ruin somebody's phone, especially since there could be like a liability risk involved with that. Yeah, so that is a huge issue. Let's go back and look at a different one here. We'll just make sure these guys are selling a bunch. They're only 3.5 stars. So let's click on this one. Let's see, their average review is about 1 to 2 stars, so let's read the 2-star ones. Only reason I gave it 2 stars was because 1 fan out of 5 worked. Ooh, okay, not what I thought it would be. First it looks great, then it stops working. I love the concept. Okay, so basically these fans are dying on people, so we really got to get a little bit more quality fans so it's not going to die on them. I'm going to do more of that research on the side. That way you guys don't have to go through the boring me reading it, and I'm not reading it too fast and skipping past things. That's the biggest thing I wanted to go over. Also, I just wanted to recap what we're doing so far. That's where we're at so far. Let me know what you guys think. What do you think? Should I dig into the phones, the fans? Should I dig into the stress balls? Should I look more into the kids' computer glasses, or should I go for something else? Do you want me to do more research and try to find something? Because I want to ultimately walk you guys through sourcing it, advertising it, doing the whole 9 yards, and seeing if we can't make a product be successful. Anyways, that's it. Tons of stuff going on. I've got computers everywhere. A lot has changed since Tuesday. I think I've got a guy coming to pick up my white PC. I got an Xbox One just recently on a trade for the PS4 that I got from a monitor. Arbitrage is going crazy. Yeah, so, all right, I will see you guys. Let me know in the comments if you have questions. Follow and subscribe if you want to follow this process, and just give advice. This isn't me selling you anything. This is just I want to connect with you guys. I love sharing what I have and what I know, and I'm having fun with this. So I will see you guys in the next video.